Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2019 Lexus NX300h. The H stands for hybrid. This is a hybrid version of the NX series. We can see over here, looks like you'll average right around 31, 33 city, 30 highway. It actually gets better gas mileage around town, which is a complete opposite of a gas car. Usually regular gas cars get better gas mileage on the highway. But that's the amazingness of hybrids. And Lexus and Toyota, they are the gurus of hybrid technology. Nobody else, in my opinion, can combine an electric motor and a gas powertrain together. It's just smooth and seamless and very durable. I've owned a few hybrid Toyotas myself, several Priuses. One had like 220,000 miles by the time I retired it, and it still ran great. With gas approaching, $5 a gallon, I think right now premium's like $4.70 a gallon. A vehicle like this will definitely come in great. Plenty of power, but very, very fuel efficient. And the nice thing about hybrid technology is you'll also save on maintenance. Brakes can be expensive, especially in a luxury brand like this. It could be, $800 for new pads and rotors on the front, let alone rear rotors. But with hybrid, since they use regenerative braking, they recapture that kinetic energy you don't normally lose through heat, through braking, and they put it back in the battery. So basically what they do is they reverse the polarity of the electric motor and it turns into a generator. So when you're slowing down, it uses that kinetic energy to recharge the battery and put that energy back in the battery versus losing it through heat, which you'd never get back. So not only does it make the vehicle much more fuel efficient, but brakes last a super duper long time. People usually get 150,000 miles out of brakes on their hybrids. It's amazing. This one is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle, recent trade, only 36,134 miles. Beautiful color combination and white on this really cool red interior, really cool color combination. We have the original build sheet on this one. The original MSRP was $43,408. It has a few optional odds and ends. Obviously, there's a lot of standard equipment on a Lexus. This comes with the comfort package that was $980, giving you electrochromatic auto-dimming outer mirrors with blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, heated. They're also heated. And then we have a reverse tilt down function for those mirrors. And then we have heated and ventilated front seats. Then we have the electrochromatic auto-dimming inside rear view mirror with compass and Lexus HomeLink garage door opener, $150 for that. Intuitive parking assist with auto brake, $535. Power back door with kick sensor, $550. Power tilt and slide moonroof, $1,100. Leather and heated steering wheel, $150. And that's it for the bulk of the options. We have this complimentary copy of the Maroni label available on our website if you want to peruse it yourself. Really nice interior. We have this kind of tracking pad. It's kind of like what you'd find on a laptop. It gives haptic feedback to navigate through the infotainment system. You have this nice pad right here. You have this nice pad right here to rest your wrist while you access different menus. We have the electronic parking brake. We have a drive mode selector. Dual zone auto climate control. We have a nice auto dimming mirror, integrated compass, universal garage door opener. Nice leather up steering wheel paddle shifters, as I mentioned, very low miles. Blind spot warning. The NX series is a compact luxury crossover, kind of the perfect size for maneuvering and parking in an urban and city environment. Beautiful curvaceous body. Lexus does a great job styling the NX series along with all their vehicles. There's a fantastic hybrid powertrain, plenty of power, very smooth. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler. We can tow it to you. So for a mobile delivery service, this beautiful NX300h can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or even your driveway. Nice spacious rear seat accommodations, all-season mats, beautiful shade of pearl white. Lexus makes some absolutely beautiful shades of white. This pearl white is absolutely beautiful. So you mentioned before, we have the power rear liftgate with the kick sensor. We have a rear cargo mat as well. We have a cargo area cover to keep things out of prying eyes. This is easily removable, and you can fold down those rear seats for more cargo space for those big Costco trips. One beautiful luxury SUV that is very fuel efficient and really low ownership cost, with that fantastic hybrid system giving you long brake life. If you're in the market for a luxury crossover that's very fuel efficient with great reliability In durability, look no further than the beautiful Lexus NX300h. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.